Guys, it's Izzy and today we're gonna make jiggly slime. This is what it looked like after. Now you know idea. There we go. So let's get to it. I am a little sick, so my voice will sound like this. So yeah. I am using this slime to make it. This is blueberry pumpkin pie the slime. But so first you put it in, then you add water. Doesn't matter how much, and it also makes your slime bigger, so get ready for that. Then you have to play with it so the water will absorb the slime. It's a little bit hard. So it'll turn like goopy after a while. And sometimes you'll have to add some activator, but they'll make it a little bad. I'll get to it when it starts breaking apart, because that's when it's supposed to get good. It's supposed to be about like this, like goopy and all that. And then you have to try testing it out. But you also have to play around with it. So of course it's gonna get messy. And it's gonna be sticky. I'm using borax to make sure it's not 100% sticky. So, or you could use any activator. So, yeah. Well, we're gonna put this on my glass thing. I never know what it's called. And this, to me, this helps. Like, it helps me read it and all that. Oh god. I can't get the I'll get it in a second. I have to make something to hold this. Wait up. It's gonna be like really bad because my iPad is weird. Wait. I'm taking off my case, by the way. There we go. And then if I just keep it like that, there we go. So it's sticky, and then you'll just keep on adding water. See how it's getting goopy? It's supposed to be like that. Because jiggly slime doesn't really make a sound. I think my other one, I think I put way too much water. Do you see how this is getting a little bigger? That's how it's supposed to be. I know I'm not holding the video. Not like a musically. See, look how sticky. I have my borax right here. I'm gonna put it right back in the bowl. Trying not to make a mess. It's okay. It got a little bit bigger, but that's not why I'm here. I'm here to make jiggly slime. Look, does that look jiggly to you? No. I have slime all over my carpet. But yeah, I'm gonna scoot this over. My back is in pain. There we go. So it's gonna get super slimy. I'll get back to y'all. Well, it's supposed to look like this. So, how much my hands are. This is what I do. Like you're washing your hands and then just start taking it off. Oh, I'm gonna drain it back to the table, sew it up. Well, I put it back in. It took me almost an hour to like clean up everything, and now there's slime all over the floor. Help me. Yes, I'm using a pencil. I don't know if you already saw it or not. It's supposed to be like. But I don't think I'm gonna make it as jiggly as I wanted it to be. Because like it makes too much of a mess. And I am not cleaning up a lot. Guys, I have no idea where I stopped off at the video, but it kind of worked. It's gonna be sticky, but this is my jiggly slime. I don't care what you think of it. I like it. It reminds me of this one. But this one doesn't make any noise. So that's why I'm not doing the whole jiggly slime on this one. So, thanks for watching.